What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2023 Hyundai Elantra unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and our vehicle's locked. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now let's take a closer look at the driver's door handle. So what we're going to do is remove this little piece right here. How we're going to do that is if we look underneath, we see there's this little key slot right here. So I'm going to take this hand and open the door handle and kind of get my fingers on this piece. Then I'm going to push up in that slot and then slide this piece back towards the rear of the vehicle. So put the key up in that slot, push up, and then with this hand, slide that towards the rear, and it slides that far, and then it'll come off. And just hang on to this piece. We'll take a look at how to put that back on at the end of the video. Now I'm going to take my emergency key, put it in this key slot, and turn it to the right or clockwise to unlock. Now's a good time to go ahead and put your emergency key back in your key fob just so we don't lose it. Now as soon as we open the door, the alarm's going to start going off. How we're going to stop the alarm from going off is we need to start the vehicle. How we're going to start the vehicle with a dead key fob is we're going to get in and we're going to start it like we normally would, but I'm going to use the top of the key fob to press the stop start button. I'm going to show all this to you. It's just going to be going kind of quickly and the alarm's going to be blaring. All right, let's go ahead and give it a shot. So as you heard there, once you start the vehicle, it will turn the alarm off, and then you'll be ready to drive as normal. And you'll just need to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. All right, so now let's take a look at how to get our cap back on. So taking a look at the back of it, you can see there's these little hooks right here. That's kind of what we're going to line up. So I'm just going to pull the door handle out and start back about that far, and then just slide it forward, and it clips into place. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.